This video will teach you how to submit a demand work order. A demand work order is one of the two types of work orders in Hippo. A demand work order is anything that is ad hoc, unscheduled, or unplanned. Clicking the Submit Work Order panel will bring up the Submit Work Order form. When you submit a demand work order, you will include a variety of details related to the maintenance. Click on the Submit Work Order panel, always located in the top left corner of any screen. A new Submit Work Order form window will appear. Any field outlined in orange is a mandatory field. Click in the work order name field and type the name of the work order. We suggest naming the work order based on what needs to be completed. Next, click the type that your work order is associated to. The additional fields that will appear are based on the type of work order you select. For example, if you select equipment, you may find the equipment by floor plan, model type, or you can use asset ID. If you select by floor plan, the next field will show a drop-down menu of your facility floor plans. Click on the floor plan name. Next, click on the equipment field to access the drop-down menu of all equipment on that floor plan. Click on the name of the equipment. This process is also similar for location and vehicle type work orders. Next, click in the description field. Type in a description of what needs to be completed. Generally, this information is directed to the resource. Based on your user permissions, you may be required to complete other mandatory fields. If the Submit button is unclickable, hover your cursor over the button. It will show you a red prohibitory icon and will indicate what fields must be entered to submit the work order. Any other fields outlined in gray are optional. For example, you can click in the resource field to select which resource is assigned to this demand work order. To submit the work order, scroll to the bottom of the form and click Submit. You will see a green message confirming that your changes have been saved. This is how you submit a demand work order.